Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a dandy of a Harley Davidson Softail Custom I want to show you. It's a 2008 model. Got a few miles on it, but it's in super shape. It's got a really nice paint job on it. It's kind of a metallic orange with a red with the gold leaf graphic on the tank. Really looks nice. Bike comes with a 96-inch motor and a 6-speed transmission. It's got forward mount foot controls, factory exhaust on it, big nice cushy pillow top kind of a seat. That's the factory seat on this bike. Very comfortable. Luggage rack back here on the back side. A good tire on the rear, and we put a new tire up on the front. We upgraded these hand grips. It's nice Avon hand grips. It's got upgraded mirrors, mirror posts. Cool looking wide glide front end. It's that new tire. The little bit of wax left on there. Front fender looks real good. I don't see any kind of chips or scratches or dings on it. Same with the tank. Put your little battery tender on it. Little lead there. Got some of the Live to Ride stuff on it. Very nice condition. Let's see. That paint looks real good. I see a little spot on the end. No, I think that's wax in there. Yeah, that's coming off. Very nice. I don't know if you can see that metallic very well, but it's loaded up with metallic in that. I don't know what that color would be. The Harley's got a new color. It's called Tequila Sunrise, but I don't know if that came out in 08 or not. The bike's got 50,162 miles on it. Pops right off. It's been through our shop, service safety checked and inspected, and runs like a top. No engine noise or smoke or any of that. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Some excellent financing and extended warranty options on this bike. Go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We sell and ship bikes all over the world and take just almost anything in on trade. Give us a call toll free, 888-400-1151. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.